I also told you before, we have a customer here from the US. They care really about the first year of developing of a child. And all this product is really for babies and first year. And especially when you talk about the first 3 years, the safety is one of the most concerned for,
Yes, of course.
for,
Yes,
for,
for 50.
for parents.
Yeah.
And I think we are quite happy and to be supporting that journey. And our people really care a lot. And therefore, it's also benefit when you have the people working so long in your company that I would say they have the chance to being very committed to the company and know what they are doing. If you change your worker too frequently, it may benefit on one side, but you lose all the quality and all the consistency
Yes, of course.
on the other side. So here is an assembling workshop, and it goes then over into a packaging line.